Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the bank to your VENMO account. As you can see, I'm logged into my VENMO account over here. So what I'm going to do is simple. This is a screenshot of your VENMO account, and this is how the VENMO account will look at the home page. So what you're going to do is simple. You can come over here, then you tap on me section over here. When you tap there, the interface will look like this, okay? And this will be like more of your profile. So what you're going to do next, come and tap on manage there, okay? When you tap on manage, the interface will look like this, okay? And then you'll be having this option which says transfer to bank account and add money, okay, into your VENMO account. So click on add money into your VENMO account. When you click on that, the interface will look like this. So go and select a funding source. So for this case, as you can see, there are some debit cards here. So I'm assuming you're getting money from your bank account. So you choose this one over here. After that, come here, then put in the money that you want to add. For example, I'm assuming you're putting $5. And then after that, click on next, and the money will come into your VENMO account, into your bank account. Alright guys, so that's all. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching this video. Ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.